So this thing is coming. How do I join them? Sorry, I know what to do. Pastor, good day, sir.
Bless you, my son.
I'm very happy that I found you.
Okay.
There's this thing coming up. They normally do it every year.
A lot of things are coming up.
There's this award Edisa between.
I also know of it. It's an Edisa award where they give award to best of the best every year.
I'm supposed to be there now.
Okay.
I want to have my own award.
So, are you an artist?
No, I'm not an artist though.
Are you a DJ?
I'm supposed to be a DJ.
Are you a ritualist?
God forbid. I'm not a ritualist though.
Are you a Yahoo boy?
You mean Baka?
Of course.
I'm not a Yahoo boy. Froster.
What do you do for a living?
Are you talking to me?
Am I talking to a ghost?
I don't do anything for a living. I'm a big boy.
The Bible said prayer without work is dead.
Esco Petenya.
You don't need to esco. No Petenya. You are not doing anything and you want to be given an award. Award of nothing should be given to you. Do you know what? Your deliverance is going to be tactical. I need like 20 tactical pastors to come and pour anointing oil on you tactically. What do you mean?
Sister, brother, cha-cha.